Hi everyone, this 1-minute diaphragmatic breathing exercise is a breathwork designed to give you focus, relaxation, improved mental and physical health, and reset your vagus nerve and nervous system. This is the 4-7-8 method, which means that you will be inhaling for a count of 4 seconds, holding your breath for a count of 7 seconds, and exhaling for a count of 8. All you have to do is just follow along with my voice and my breathing. You can put your right hand on your heart and your left hand right below your heart above your stomach if you'd like. Remember to inhale through your nose and exhale out the mouth. And let's begin. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale.